Hi everyone, I am Pratibha. I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am also good. This is the first video on my channel and it's a kind of introductory video. In this video, I would like to tell you what my channel is related to. My channel is basically related to education. Those who are interested in learning spoken English and want to learn spoken English, please stay connected with my channel and watch each of my videos. Soon I will upload so much videos related to spoken English which will going to help you with your spoken English, and I hope you will like my videos. And if you like my video, then please do consider my channel to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me introduce to you my channel name. My channel name is Learning with Pratibha. Please remember it. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that's all about my introductory video, and thank you for watching.